Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Kayeng dorbar thawain Rajya Sabha haga dorbar liur ke balalong haga khat pratarik ubnai naitung arajar arpuar kala Kynmaw Burom yo MP Barim jong jela Meghalaya uba Robert Kharshiing uba lakhlatno haga nyu tarik ubnai yayong arajar arpuar nagani ke slapertai hagarta kaba nripulai snem. Hagani ke dorbar u chairman jong Rajya Sabha u M Venkaya Naidu ula puli ya kajing thok kabala batai sepang kajing jong uba Robert Kharshiing kum unong yalam Barim ka Khasi Students Union kum unong yalam Barim jong ka Meghalaya Students Union bat kum uriu sain pertai uba Robert Kharshiing ula mikmat ya ka jela Meghalaya kum u MP sya kayeng dorbar thawain Rajya Sabha nagaseng Nationalist Congress Party nadu ubnai yayong arjar ar hadu ubnai yayong arjar pra
Sri Robert Kharshiing passed away on the 7th of April 2022 at the age of 63 years. Born in January 1959 at Shillong, Meghalaya, Sri Kharshiing was educated at St. Anthony College and Northeastern Hills University, Shillong. A social worker, he was actively involved in politics right from his student days. He served as the president of the Khasi Students Union, and as General Secretary of the Meghalaya Students Union from 81 to 1983. He also served as a member of the court of the Northeastern Hills University. Sri Kharshiing started his legislative career as a member of the Meghalaya Assembly in the year 1990 and served that assembly till 1993. He also served as the deputy chairman of the Meghalaya State Planning Board. Sri represented the state of Meghalaya in this house from April 2002 to April 2008. The passing of Sri Robert Kharshiing, the country has lost a dedicated social worker and an able parliamentarian. Om Shanti Shanti.